The objectives of learning English, objective of teaching English are derived from four broad aims of teaching English. As language is a skill-based subject, teaching learning of English aims at the mastery of four language skills, namely listening, speaking, reading and writing. ଜଣେ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଶୁଣିପାରୁଥିବ, କହିପାରୁଥିବ, ପଢ଼ିପାରୁଥିବ ଏବଂ ଲେଖିପାରୁଥିବ. These four linguistic skills are in a natural hierarchical order. While learning a language, one makes from the initial skill to the sub-request skills. As these skills are used for communication, the broad aim of teaching learning English is acquiring communication competency. The four broad aims are the following. The learner should be able to understand English while heard. That is, listening. They should be able to speak English correctly for communication. That means speaking. They should be able to understand or comprehend English while read. That means reading. They should be able to write English correctly for communication. That means writing. These aims are broken into small components as objectives. Aims are long-term goals and objectives are short-term goals. ତେଣୁ ଏମ୍ ହେଉଛି ତୁମର ଲଙ୍ଗ୍ ଟର୍ମ ଗୋଲ୍ ଏବଂ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ହେଉଛି short term goal. The learners understand English when spoken at normal conversational speed and receives communication. Recognize the characteristic of English speech sounds. Recognize stress, intonation and pause and follow their significance. Understand the meanings of words, phrases and sentences in the context. Grasp the idea in a piece of connected speech. Follow the sequence of ideas narrated live or radio or TV. Grasp the substance, the central idea of speech. They speak English correctly to communicate. Use proper pronunciation, stress and intonation. Use appropriate words, phrases and sentences. Use appropriate pause in speech. Use correct sentences with proper usage. These are the objectives. Present ideas in proper sequence. Maintain reasonable speed and fluency in speech. Use conventional greetings and modes of address. They read English with proper comprehension. Read aloud with correct pronunciation, stress, intonation and pause. Divide a sentence into sense groups while reading. Display reasonable speed in reading aloud. Read silently with comprehension. Locate facts, ideas, or scan. Infer meaning and ideas in the text read. Interpret the text read for deeper meaning. Develop a central idea or make a gist of the text or scheme. Develop critical understanding of a text read. Evaluate the text with own views. Read intensively for detailed understanding. Read extensively for pleasure and enjoyment. Develop study habit and study skills. Develop interest in reading. They write English correctly for effective communication. Use appropriate words, phrases, and sentence patterns. Spell correctly. Use capital letters when required and punctuation marks. Use link words to connect sentences such as but, and, so, etc. Present ideas in logical sequence. Make paragraph division on the basis of nature of contents. Follow formats in different types of writing. Properly introduce, develop, and conclude. Display imagination and creativity. Exhibit a style in writing. Write neatly and legibly with reasonable speed. Next part रे पिलाମାନେ ଆମେ क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन କରିବା.